What's up? It's Elias. I'm here to talk to you about the RAM wireless charging. I've had a couple of people that have had issues with it, so I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to use it, and then also a couple of troubleshooting tips on how to fix it if that doesn't help. Let's hop inside and I'll show you how it works. All right, now that we're inside, two things you're going to need to do to make sure it's going to work for you. One is you're going to have to put it in run or actually start the vehicle. Two, you're going to want to make sure all the doors are closed. If any door is open, ajar, or anything like that, it will not work. All right, as long as you've done those two things, if you just put it on the mount, blue light will come on and you are charging. Hope this was helpful. If that didn't fix the issue, I have a couple other ideas that I think will fix it. The first thing to test if that doesn't charge your phone is just checking to see if your phone is actually wireless charging capable. You can either do a quick Google search or go in your settings and see if it is capable or not. The second thing that might stop it from charging is the case, mostly the case size. Some of the bigger cases like OtterBox Defenders, or other things that size are so big that the connection to the charger and the charge can't actually get through to connect to the phone. The third problem might be that you have a magnet on the back of your phone, whether it's built into the case or you may have added it on after, like this. This prevents the connection from happening and won't let the phone charge. The last reason that you might have an issue is if you have a flip phone or if you're carrying around a house phone. That it just won't work. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Leave a comment down below if this was helpful and resolved an issue that you might have had. If it didn't help, also leave a comment down below and let me know you did find a different workaround. Also, leave a comment down below if there's any other issues that you have with your vehicle that you want me to make a video on. I'd be happy to help you guys out.